Hey everyone! So I have a whiteboard and a marker and I'm going to show some things I already know. So yesterday we introduced the idea of a fraction, part of a whole. And then we went through to explain that it can't just be any part though. These parts have to be equal. So today's quick review goes right back to the things we did yesterday. You're going to feel really confident about this one. And I just want to share a little bit of my thinking and listen to a little bit of yours with some of these shapes and whether or not they are equal parts and why that's important. All right, so let's take a look at this first rectangle. Imagine I have a candy bar and I broke it right down the middle, and you took this part and I took this part. Those two sides are equal. They're the same size, they're about the same shape, they are the same, right? So this can be described in fractional terms. So this is a fraction, these are equal parts. I like it. I'm going to circle it. Here I go, circle. Excellent. And I'm just going to go through and do the same for all of these. Let's see, if you took this half and I took the bottom half, that would be completely fair, right? They're the same size, they're about the same shape. I like it. That one is completely equal. Okay? Next, wait a second. If I get this tiny piece and you get this great big piece, is that fair? No fair. That is not a fraction. That is just someone chopping up a triangle. Right? And we don't really have a way of describing that in fractions. Fractions are always made out of equal parts. So now I'm going to go a little bit faster. These are all equal parts. So I'm going to circle that one green. These are not. 4 of them look to be exactly the same, but this one in the middle, I think, is a little bit smaller because we have rectangles around the outside and a square in the middle. I think that is a trick. That is just someone chopping up across, right? Let's see, some little pieces and some big pieces. This is not equal, not fair. One big piece, one medium-sized piece, not fair. This is a tricky one. I like this one. Some of them are upside down and some of them are right side up, but I think that has 4 equal pieces in it. One of these looks like a C and the other one just looks like a blob. This one is not the same, not equal. These are all small triangles. I like those. Some of these are very short and some of these are very long. So this is not fractions. It's not equal. But the last 2 are. These are all the same. And these are all the same. So why is it important for us to spend time recognizing equal parts? Because in this chapter, we're going to count those parts. This shape here has 2 parts. So that 2 goes underneath a line. It's called the denominator. And that just means there are 2 all together. This one also has 2 parts. This one, though, would have 4 parts. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one also, 1, 2, 3, 4. Would have 4 parts. This one, though, would have 2 parts again. The denominator describes how many there are all together. Now, the numerator is different. So the numerator talks about how many are shaded in. In this case, 1 is shaded in. So 1/2 is dark. This side, I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 3 out of 4 are shaded in dark. And I probably should do a better job shading in those spots, but I think you get the idea. So why is it important to recognize equal parts? It's the first step in writing fractions. That's what I think. I would love to know what you think. Hopefully you sent me a little message so I can hear your thoughts. Thanks, guys. Bye now.